Good morning, guys. So welcome to another video of my channel. And right now I am packing to go on a beautiful nature that is named Darband. And I'm gonna tell about the situation that happened for me in these 83 to 90 days that happened in a war situation. And let's just go. And before going to the nature, let's just prepare a breakfast, and then let's just go. Hello everyone, so welcome to another video that is based in one another nature in Iran. And I am sitting alone in this big jungle and big mountains that there are around myself, and I'm taking this video and I'm gonna talk about the things that happened for me in these 90 days, in these 3 months that I was offline and I couldn't just upload the videos. And these days the international internet just came back and I'm uploading the videos on the YouTube channel. And right now I am in the Darband. Darband is a place that is nature actually, and very beautiful in capital city of Iran, Tehran. And the beauty of here is really amazing. And if you are gonna be traveling to Iran, I recommend you to come here and sit for a while in here and see the nature of the capital city of Iran, Tehran. Before just reading the questions and answering all of them, the questions are not many, I mean maybe the 7 or 8 questions. But before answering the question, let's just eat something. Water, the most essential thing for coming here, because when you want to see here, you should just come up the mountains and then go inside to the valley, and you will see the river and the waterfall. But you should go very top of the mountain to see the waterfall, but I'm just seeing the river. I bought 2 water, some snacks, the healthy and unhealthy snacks. The healthy snack is that I made peanut butter with dates, and the unhealthy ones are the biscuits. I have this one that I ate, the half of it on the way, that is this. It's yummy, good, but it is not at all healthy at all. Now let's answer the question that I wrote my notebook that is just for journaling, but I just wrote the question into this too. The question is that when the war started. The war started, I don't know. But I just know that it was in February, and it backs to 3 months ago. Where did you go when the war started? I went with my mother and father and sister to the north of Iran. The north of Iran is a very beautiful city that I recommend you, all of you guys, go to see. It has sea and many jungle, and totally the nature of Iran is in there. It was really good. I mean, it wasn't like the war situation. It was just like a vacation, really, and we didn't feel like we are in war. Okay, really, I'm serious, and I'm not lying to you. And it was like exactly like the vacation and holidays. Like we were in the New Year, and actually it was the New Year, so it was like it was New Year and we went to the vacation, but it was war. Third question is that why the international internet cut down by the government? Guys, this question I can't answer it very well, and I have some answers in my mind, but anyway, I will tell you the answer by the why the government cut down the international internet in this way, that the government cut down the international internet because of the security, justice, maybe. Where are you now? I am in Tehran, the capital city of Iran, and I'm in Darband right now, and I'm having fun, and it's about it's like about 50 days that we are not in war, but we are not in peace situation. We are just in cheese situation. I don't know, what is this? Is Iran safe or not? Yes, Iran is safe all the time. The people of Iran are safe, and the people of Iran are very kind and very lovely. And if you just come to Iran and see the people of Iran, you will see how we are and they are nice and friendly with you guys. How about the economy of Iran? This question is very, heartbreaking, because the economy of Iran is terrible. Not gonna lie and not gonna censor this. The economy of Iran is terrible. For example, one worker that works in a cafe, like a barista, should, when he or she get his income, he should put like $20 in his income to buy 1 gram of gold. So it's very bad economy, and the incomes are not very good, especially for the workers. It's not at all good, but people are just alive, some of them, and some of them are really living, that they are rich, and some of them are medium like me, and some of them are poor. But for foreigner people, for example, an American person come to Iran, he can actually spend with $100 10 days in Iran in a best way. In a best way, you can live in here. In a best hotels, and you can have too many foods, great foods, and this. Yes. Tell us about your situation. This is the final question. Finish. My situation is good. Really is good. I am very happy because I'm doing everything. I'm going to gym. I'm going to German language class. I'm doing my lessons, and maybe my the final exam just be online because of the situation. We are not in war, but I don't know why the government wants to make the exams for online for the students. But it is very good because the ChatGPT is always on. And yeah, but I scare, guys, I scare that again for the fourth time the international internet just cut down by the government. For the fourth time. Wait, first of all, for the first bar, the second one was in the January, and the third one was in this war, and oh yeah, it will be the fourth, and I wish that the fourth one doesn't come. Yep. And yes, I wanted to just speak with you guys, and I hope that you listen to me very carefully, and please subscribe. You know, guys, I'm trying my best to record the best videos for you, to edit them, to upload them with the lack of internet in Iran. And please subscribe and like and put a comment, because my followers are very low and they are just 54 subscribers. But I love you guys a lot from my bottom of my heart, and I wish one day we just get to 1,000 and 1 million and 10 million subscribers one day, and I believe in this too. Now guys, I want to start reading this book, A Man Called Ove. I bought this about, I don't know how months ago, but I haven't read this completely, so let's just finish it. No, not gonna finish it, but I will read for 50 pages. It's time to go, and I'm leaving here. Oh, I was going to die, bro. Someone's helped me. You know, guys, I was just telling about hugging the trees. Whenever I just find a big tree, and I wait that, for example, someone not being there, and I start hugging that tree, because it really gives me a nice mood, a nice feeling about the nature. And whenever like I hug the tree and walk in the grass, I feel like the nature is my home, and I'm working on my home. So we shouldn't be like shameful or like no people are watching. So what? Why we shouldn't just go out and, you know, hug the trees and kiss them? Why not? What will happen? Nothing. Let's just go. I'm really tired. Maybe I just went to the cafe, the Lamis Cafe, my favorite cafe, and the most expensive cafe in the Iran. And in my opinion, there is no better cafe like Lamis in Iran. There's no better than that cafe. I should go there. Look at here. I should get myself to the there. And the nature is here. Guys, most of Iranian people knows Tehran with you know, dry weather, and like they think Tehran doesn't have any like nature, and it is just the buildings and the big buildings, I mean the skyscrapers, and just this, and like departments uh, these kind of things. But I should tell them that no, you're all the wrong, guys. Tehran has many mountains that they are very beautiful, and the reason that thousands of years ago first people came here was that here was very natural. Here had sea, water, the trees, the nature like here, and they just came here to build their houses. And after that, the Tehran changed to the capital. The Iran has changed its capital for many times, and one of the most capitals that it used to be, it was Shiraz. That Shiraz is very nice. Go there. In the war situation, my family and I, with my uncles, went there. It was majestic. It was wonderful, and I can tell you that the Shiraz is one of the best cities in the whole world, and is the poetry city, the love city, everything like this.